I'm here with Jonathan Howe, Senior Forecaster with the Bureau of Meteorology's Extreme Weather Desk. And Jonathan, scorching conditions across parts of both New South Wales and Queensland yesterday.
That's right, Mel. We saw a very hot day across parts of northern New South Wales and southeastern Queensland yesterday, with temperatures getting up into the high 30s and even low 40s. And we did see a number of records falling across New South Wales yesterday. Places like Kempsey and Armidale broke the October records. However, Grafton was a real standout, getting to a staggering 40.6 degrees, which is 15 degrees above average for this time of year.
And those hot conditions continuing again today.
That's right, we could see more records tumble again today. Looking at the temperature map here, you can see slightly cooler conditions towards inland parts of New South Wales, but the heat really does push towards the coast today, getting back into the high 30s and low 40s again. And looking at Brisbane, 36 degrees, a real scorcher for them today, getting up into 40-degree territory for the western suburbs of Brisbane.
And what's the current situation with the bushfires?
We did see quite a dangerous bushfire situation yesterday. Having a look at the satellite, you can see with the really hot and quite windy conditions, it did really start to flare up some of those ongoing fires across New South Wales and across the border as well. We did see some thunderstorms spark up near the coast, but unfortunately little rainfall fell out of those, and we could see more dry thunderstorms again today.
And what's the situation with fire ratings today?
First today, we are continuing to see elevated fire danger conditions, a little bit of an easing trend towards western parts of New South Wales, but we are seeing severe fire danger conditions spread towards southeastern parts of Queensland. So a number of fire weather warnings are still current for those communities.
I guess the big question is, when are we going to finally see some relief?
Yeah, the good news is that there is a cool change on the way, expected to move through parts of northeastern New South Wales throughout this afternoon and getting across the border into southeastern Queensland through the evening. So a very hot day again today, but there is relief on the way.
In the meantime, what advice would you give to those communities which really are still suffering through this heat?
So another hot day again today, so it is important that people stay cool and hydrated where they can, and to think sun smart, especially if you're heading out and about today. And for those in the fire affected regions, it is very important to stay up to date with the latest warnings, and as always, to follow all advice from your local fire and emergency services.
That's great advice. Thank you so much, Jonathan. That's all from the Bureau of Meteorology. We'll see you next time.